Boy, you're a talkative one, Bill.
I know.
As a solemn old judge, George D. Hay used to say, here's Bill Monroe and the Bluegrass Boys. Let her go, boys.
People would come from far away to dance all night till the break of day. When they called her hollering, Josie-Do, you knew Uncle Finn was ready to go. Hey, at about sundown, how the hill is above the town. Played the fiddle, Lord, how to bring. You could hear it talk, you could hear it sing.
Ar bluegrass noteikti nav jāsaprot zila zāle, bet gan country mūzikas pēctecis.
Run, oh, mighty run, Tin Brook's gonna beat you like a bright shining sun, oh Lord, a bright shining sun. Tin Brook was a big bay horse, low down shaggy mane. He run all round Memphis and he beat the Memphis train. Beat the Memphis train, oh Lord, beat the Memphis train.
Šis mūzikas stils ir tieši pēctecis country mūzikai. Tātad īsi par to. Country mūzika, jeb lauku mūzika, kas radās pirms vairāk kā 300 gadiem, protams, aptuveni. Populāra kļuva tikai 20. gadsimta 20. gados, kad to masveidīgi sāka translēt par radio, jo tā bija bez maksas. Country radās ASV štatos kā Džordžijā, Kentucky, Virģīnijā un citos. Tās instrumenta klāsts ir pavisam liels. Tātad par bluegrass. Patiesībā arī ragtime, džeza un vecās mūzikas stila sastāvdaļas ir šim stilam. Bluegrassu neviens nav izgudrojis, taču Billa Monroe grupas Bluegrass Boys iespaidā radās bluegrass nosaukums. Grupa radās 1939. gadā. 45. gadā grupā tika ieviests jauns instruments – banjo. Interesants fakts. Bluegrass tiek spēlēta akustiski. Vienmēr. Jo, kad stils radās, laukos nebija elektrības. 1947. gadā Stanleya brāļi ierakstīja šī stila populārāko dziesmu Molly and Ten Brooks. Populārākie ievērības cienīgie mākslinieki būtu Bills Monroe, Bates Miners, Earls Scruggs, Lesters Flatt. Bluegrassam ir 4 apakšnovirzieni. Tradicionālais, gospel, progresīvais un netradicionālais. Tagad daži piemēri.
cut my hair off and save my beard. Stop wearing white and keep nothing clean at all. Oh, what a relief from the pressure to just be hated and learn that being bad ain't nothing but a pleasure. They can't all be good. I guess better that they shouldn't. What if sorrows swim? Good God won't need to burn them. Good God won't need to burn them. Good God won't need to burn them. I could rob some worse guys, done up like good ones, then hide a pile of money, never have to worry. Maybe give it all away for a reason to steal, another chance to keep from keeping still. They can't all be good, I guess better that they shouldn't. What if sorrows swim? Good God won't need to burn them. They can't all be good. On the soul rack path, look down and smile. Said I put you on that rock pile for a while, oh Lord. Gotta do my time. Gotta do my time with an aching heart and a worried mind.
Dun dun. My anaconda don't, my anaconda don't, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. My anaconda don't, my anaconda don't, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycles. He was bigger than a tower. I ain't talking about Michael's. He was a real country man. Let me play with his rifle. I put him to sleep, and now he calling me Nigel. Now that bang, 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 I let him hit it like working on the chain gang. Be growing crops like his name Romaine. And when we done, I make him body bone-made. I'm on some dumb shit. By the way, what do you say? I ain't missing no meals. I come through, hit him in my automobile. He can eat it with his girls. Keep telling me to chill. Dun dun dun. My anaconda don't, my anaconda don't, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. My anaconda don't, my anaconda don't, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. Oh my gosh, look at that banjo. Oh my gosh, look at that banjo. Little in the middle, but you got much back. Little in the middle. middle, but you got